In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out from ElevenLabs. Now, you might be at a loss on how to complete such a simple task, but don't worry. I've got you covered with this easy walkthrough. The process is straightforward, and I'll help you cruise through it step by step. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open up your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you commonly use. If you're not already on your computer, go ahead and switch it on. Once it's powered up and you've logged into your system, launch your web browser. A little tip here for efficiency. Having shortcuts for your browsers on your desktop or taskbar can save you time in the future, so consider setting those up if you haven't already. Now, once you have your browser up and running, navigate to the ElevenLabs website. If you don't have it bookmarked, simply type the ElevenLabs URL into your browser's address bar and hit enter. If you're not logged in, you'll need to do that first. Log in using your credentials. If you've saved your login details, entering the site should just be a click away. But if you need to type in your email and password, ensure they're correct to avoid any login errors. A pro tip to remember here is to use a password manager. It will make your life a whole lot easier by securely storing your login details and autofilling them when needed. Once you've successfully entered your login information, you'll land on your dashboard. Here, you can see various options and features that ElevenLabs offers. Spend a moment familiarizing yourself with the layout if it's been a while since you last visited. Now, to accomplish our primary goal, take your gaze to the left bottom corner of your screen. There, you should spot your name. Don't worry if it's not instantly noticeable. It should be there if you're logged in correctly. Just look carefully. Click on your name, and a small menu will appear. Within this menu, you should see the Sign Out option. It's usually placed at the bottom of the list. Click on Sign Out, and this action will immediately log you out of your ElevenLabs account. Logging out is an essential step to ensure your account's security, especially if you are on a shared or public computer. And just like that, you're successfully logged out from ElevenLabs. It really is as simple as following these few steps. Remember, taking a few seconds to log out after each session helps keep your account protected. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.